Hello guys, I'm Hiru Satika and this is our YouTube channel Let's Cable. Guys, so far it had been fun doing this YouTube channel for you, and for that you thank you us by subscribing this YouTube channel and like this video, hit that bell button but don't hit the phone and share with your other friend. But don't forget to send us a comment. So guys, it's been fun over the months to teach you grammar lesson, but we have to get to the next step in HK. So guys, I think we are gonna take a break from grammar lessons. Okay, but today we are gonna do a test about all the lessons we have learned so far in the past 2 months. So this is workbook. So this is the part 1 of workbook. We'll give you the part 2 later, but now we are gonna do part 1. So guys, you know over there we learned many lessons. So today we are going to test them out. So again, thank you for subscribing guys. Thank you for subscribing our YouTube channel. Yeah guys, thank you for subscribing HK. So if you didn't subscribe this YouTube channel, just subscribe HK. There's a shortcut key in the end of the screen. Right here you can press that and you can subscribe it. Okay guys, so we know we learn many lessons over here. Let me zoom out a little, like this. See, we learn many lessons. Okay, we learn am, is, have, has and now. So guys, so you know we learn it with fun, but today we are gonna take it the serious way and let's have some small fun. Okay guys, so guys, we learn many lessons over there. So today we are gonna test that out, but there's 3 parts of it. So today we are gonna do the first part, Amisa. So guys, you know Amisa is one of my favorite lessons that I teach you. So guys, Amisa is a very important lesson, very important one. So guys, here's Amisa. Here I'll highlight Amisa. So guys, so there's like 3 activities in this work Amisa part. So guys, there's 3 activities. Let's do the first activity now. So this is Amisa. You learn it. If you didn't learn it, don't watch this video till you seen the Amisa video. You can see it at our YouTube channel. So guys, the first activity is complete the sentences by filling the blanks given below. So you see there's blanks here. So you have to complete these sentences by filling the blanks with Amisa. So guys, I'll finish this first 3 for you. See these 3. He, they. I'll finish this for you. So guys, this is not a very easy lesson, but it's HK. You can learn this lesson very perfectly and very correctly. So guys, so here's I. What does come with I? I are? No, because I are is a plural noun, right guys? So the next one, I is? No, I is? No, because we don't put I in is. We use he and she in is. So guys, it must be am because it is am in I. So now we know we use. Um, so now we know we use he is. Right guys, he, not he am, he are, he is. Right guys. So guys, next one. Yeah, only word left is they are because they is a plural noun. Na is a plural verb. We have to match singular verb, singular noun with the singular verb, plural noun with the plural. Like I, you go with and he, she, or a singular name goes with is. They and they, we, you, and plural names goes with okay guys, you have here 9 lists. So we will finish 5 so far. There's 10 no, so you have 7 more to finish here guys. So I'll zoom out a little bit. Yeah, you have to finish these 7 sentences. So guys, I'll give you like 5 minutes to finish this activity. So guys, time started now. Okay, I'll talk on the way. You have to do this. If you done this, please send it on the comments. Then I'll check it out after the class. So guys, so first one is P blank studying for the exam. Next I blank a student. Next I blank someone. In next he blank a clever boy. There's more. So guys, finish this. So guys, we have to warn you about the COVID-19 virus. It's very unusual. It's spreading over the world, no? Sri Lanka is in great danger now from coronavirus. America is too. So whole world is corona has taken over the whole world like dinosaurs. So guys, be careful. Follow the safety rules that given from the World Health Department organization. So guys, you have to wear mask. Don't touch the middle of the mask. Don't touch the cable of the mask. So guys, sanitizer all the time. Keep a meter distance with your buddies. So guys, this coronavirus is very dangerous. Right, guys? There's more and more types of coronavirus came in. Like now, there's a new coronavirus type, like Delta. Yeah. So guys, corona is a madman. So we have to fight corona against it. Guys, I think you have enough time to finish this. So guys, let's fill this place up. By place, I mean this. Okay, guys. So first one, you're right. I are because we is a singular noun. Right, guys? We is a singular noun. So guys, what do you think? Is your answer right? Tell us in the comments. So guys, so what's the next one? So we know we are studying for the exam because we is a plural noun and I is a singular noun. And this goes with am because we use am in I. And like this we use am in I, so properly be am in here. I am Sama. My name is Sama. You can tell your name in both ways. So he, you got it, guy. We use is in he and she. So there's is too because we use he is. So guys, so they right guys they are practicing for the concert. Because they is a plural noun and are is a singular know, they is a plural noun and are is a plural verb. Saman Radgas use a singular name with a singular noun, singular verb. So guys, so we finish. You finish all the class. If your answers right, send your answers correctly into chat. Then I take a look, peek at it. So there's two highlighted forms here, right? So here's the second activity. We finished the first activity quickly, guys. You're so quick. So read this red highlight word. Match the noun with the correct verb. These are the verbs that purple highlight. The purple letters are the nouns. And these are the verbs. So you have to match singular verb with singular noun with the singular verb, plural noun with the plural verb. Guys, so I'll done one for you. I'll get one. Yeah, I get a one. Okay, so guys, so we use I in van because we on no other word can fill into and. Only R can use next to and. Okay, guys. So there are 5 left. So you have to finish. Someone say he, they, we, he, and Isa. So guys, finish it or up. I'll give you exactly 2 minutes. We didn't have much time for this video, so hurry up, guys. Hurry up. So guys, so if you want another video like a comedy video, spoken video, just tell us the comment. We are planning of starting a spoken video. So this is the grammar learning videos. Now we use grammar lesson videos. And some of you are wondering why do we take down the last 2 videos, the cricket videos. Guys, it's a copywriting. It's illegal in YouTube company. So we have to take down. So guys, if you want IT lessons, just tell us in the comment. What lesson do you want? And don't forget to go to Learn with English with Surangaraman YouTube channel. It's very good for learning courses. So guys, you can join the Zoom class. Yeah, it's not very cheap, but it's really like it's not really cost money. It's like it's not that money. Like it's like normal, like 6 rupees, 16 rupees, 600 rupees. Yeah, not like 10,000 rupees. Yeah, 6,000 rupees. 600 rupees. You can take the spoken class for 300 rupees. So you can take the spoken or the theory. Anything with the learn it Surangaraman. English with Surangaraman. Right, guys. I think you are finished now. Okay, guys, you don't have the book, so you can just write this noun and write the correct word in front of you. So guys, so you finish this, right? Okay. So guys, Saman, is or and. How about then? Now guys, it's is. Is the correct answer. Right guys, because Saman is a singular noun and is a plural noun. How about she? Right guys, she goes with what? This is not right. No, am. No, I'm right. What? No? Is it this? Right guys, because she is a singular noun and his is a plural noun. No, singular noun. And he right guys, he goes with that. Is that correct? No, he goes with this. Then that left, they goes with so they and. Oh guys, they are. Why? Because is a plural verb. guys, so there's one left, right? Yeah, there's one left. We, alright guys, uh, what's this we go? Alright guys, because he's plural noun and also plural verb. So guys, it's really not confused at that. So guys, do we finish this? Send us in the comments. I'll check it out after the class. Guys, that's only yeah. This is the last activity. Write 5 sentences by using am, is, are. So guys, you have to write 5 sentences in this. So you can write this in your HK book or just a paper. Take a paper and write this. Write am, is, are. Write 5 sentences by using am, is, are, guys. Guys, I think you get this right. So we finish like half of our book now. See guys, you have to write 5 sentences. Guys, don't listen to me, but listen to me when we are writing. Okay. So here's a quick peek. We have has. Yeah, this is the have has one. We'll do it later. Okay, guys. Nouns. So guys, but we don't want to do that now. We have to do this. Write 5 sentences by using am, is, are. If you are finished, you may write that on the comments. Guys, like I said, beware of the coronavirus. Guys, okay. We haven't had so much time. There's not much time left. So guys, hurry up, please. Okay, guys. Okay. Guys, are you finished yet? Guys, hurry up, guys. So guys, you are big boys now, so you have to work like big boys. You don't want to fail. You don't want others to fail like you are a chicken. You are a brave man. So fight corona. Fight the coronavirus. You have to eat food well, sanitize well, wear mask well. Yeah, guys. So I think you have enough time for finish this. So guys, I write my 5 sentences. You can send your 5 sentences in the chat. Then I'll check it out the class. So guys, I am writing this with am. But I am training in a English course. I'm training in English course. So guys, so like this. Here's I am. This is the verb, right guys? This is the verb. I am. And I am. This is the noun. I am training in English course. Mama English course එක training එන. But let's you see. He is. How about he's walking his dog. He is walking his dog. එයාගේ බල්ලව ඇවිද්දාගෙන යනවා. එතකොට here is the verb and he is the noun. But third you see, right guys, see. She is a dancer. She is a dancer. She must be dancing very well. Okay guys, so she is the noun and this is the verb. And how about they have a big car. They have a big car. ඒගොල්ලෝ ලොකු කාර් එකක් තියෙනවා. Alright, guys. Yeah, I am wrong. Because they have a big car doesn't came up with A. I guess so. Let's do like this. They they are a group. They are a group. ඒගොල්ලෝ කණ්ඩායම. For the last one, I use a singular name. Someone is a policeman. Someone policeman කෙනෙක්. එතකොට guys වෙන්න තියෙනවා ඔයගොල්ලෝගේ මේවා. So there's verbs and nouns. See guys, I highlight verbs in blue. Am, is, are, is. I, he, she, they. Sama. So guys, I think you understand lesson. I think you correct it all. If you didn't send your answers, you can watch the video and correct it in yourself and send us your marks. So guys, can you understand about this? I, we use I in am, is in he, she, or a singular name. Are in they, we, you, or a plural group or a plural name. So guys, let's go up. So subscribe HK World guys. Thank you. Thank you for being participating in this YouTube video. So guys, thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, right guys? Don't forget to subscribe, guys. So I think this is the end of our video. Don't worry, we will come back with another video. Till then, subscribe this YouTube channel, like this video, hit the bell button, share with your other friends, comment us. Until then, HK World signing out. Right, okay guys, so okay. Guys, so I can't sign up before telling an important advice. Beware of the coronavirus, guys. Follow the rules that given by the health organization, World Health Organization. So guys, till then, HK World signing out.